Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about how to play Yahoo Fantasy Football. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in your account, and then what you wanted to do is to decide if you wanted to become a manager or a commissioner. And basically when you become a manager, you'll be able to draft the teams of the fantasy players and compete against other managers, and you can become a commissioner by creating your own private league and manage every settings of the league, deleting, as I said, or removing a manager and all that stuff. The second thing is finding the scoring format that you want and that fits with your style, like head-to-head or points only. And talking about the leagues, there are like 3 types of leagues that you can join with other managers, such as the public league, which is a free league that anyone can play all over the world. The private league is a free league as well, but it's a league that you create, or it's a league that the commissioner made and sent you an invite to it. So you'd be able to play. So you'd be able to join them and then play with them in that league. And the last one is the public prize and the private prize leagues. And for both of them, you'd have to pay money to join them, because when you win, you'd be able to earn money or be able to earn the prize. And of course, when you join a league, you have to draft players to join your team. And there are like 4 styles for that. So the first one is live standard draft. And in this one, the managers takes turns adding the players to their roster until all rosters are full. And for the first one, live salary cap. And in this one, the managers get a budget and take turns placing offers on players until rosters full. And the third one is auto pickup draft. And it's an automatic system that drafts players for managers based on ranking system. And the last one is offline draft, and a league basically conduct its draft however it wants. And then we have manage your roster and lineups. And basically after the draft ends, the real game begins, and you'll need to keep a track of who has game in real life and move your preferred players from the bench into an active position. And for that, there is like 3 types. And when it comes to the roster, there's like limited available spots. Like a roster has a limited number of spots, so you'll often have to drop a player in order to add a new one. And the maximum transaction in some private league, they limit like the number of adding or dropping that you can make, but you basically can ask your commissioner if you're not sure about the limit. And in the waivers, most leagues use the Yahoo's waiver system, so you don't need to worry about it. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.